Hey, what's going on, everybody? Troy Rawlings here, and I'm back with Veryl Howard, Dr. Veryl Howard. We were talking a little bit in the interview. You may have seen the interview. If you haven't seen the interview, go watch the interview. We talked a little bit about her music background. Not background, but I should say foreground. She got so many things she does, but the music industry and the promotion and marketing and the concert piece and the consultation and being involved in the industry so long. Veryl has an amazing workshop coming up Thursday, December 17th. It's an online workshop for all you music folks. I hand it over to you, young lady. Tell them a little bit about what's coming up at the workshop on Thursday, December the 17th that you're about to do.
Oh, wow, Troy. I hate to say how long I've been in the industry, but I've been in the industry for almost 30 years. It's a long time. 20 some years in the industry. And so during the course of that, I have worked with national playwriters, like I was telling you, David Talbert, Tyler Perry, Manuel Siegels, all those type people, and also film producers, as well as record execs. And with all those entities comes music scoring, synchronization, writing the music even to fit the scene of the play, or writing the music with respect to, I don't want to say the trend, but whatever music is being pushed during that time period, because
Right.
radio stations pick certain type of music. So in that, I got engrossed in managing national recording gospel artists, and I've worked with secular artists as well, and also doing branding, marketing, promotions, and tours for record companies. So the workshop is being spearheaded by Courageous Woman magazine, which is owned by Talisha Berry, and she is sponsoring me to come on and teach artists, musicians, producers, singers, managers, booking agents, PR, anybody who's interested in getting in the field of music and business and entertainment. I teach a class at the university, Hart Christian University, in music, business, and entertainment.
Right.
So she wanted me to come do like a short workshop, because my class is like 10 to 12 weeks. So I'm doing a short workshop that's going to cover things like copyrights, royalties,
Mm.
um, getting your stuff registered, PROs, which are performing right organizations, script, how you synchronize your music to a commercial, or a movie. Also, what the industry is looking for, different type of Billboard charts, how to read the Billboard charts, what charts are important, what charts are not important, how you even get on Billboard charts.
Right.
And then even how you look at record contracts, because a lot of artists get taken advantage of because they don't study and invest in themselves on the business side. They just look for a manager to do everything, and they don't learn the other aspects of it. So we're going to talk about those things, and this is our first workshop with the magazine. I've been teaching these classes, but this is the first time with Courageous Woman magazine.
Amazing. Amazing. So, all the information will be below in this link, in the YouTube link. You'll see it all over social media. The date is Thursday, December the 17th, 8 p.m. with Courageous Woman Magazine. Dr. Professor Veryl Howard is
You
going
didn't
to.
forget me already, did you, Troy?
No, no, no. You start flowing. It was like, and another thing, Veryl
Right.
Howard is going to be teaching everything you want to know. Send your questions. Actually, you'll see the link for Courageous Woman. You see the link for Dr. Veryl. Um, Make sure you send your questions too, because she can answer your questions. This is virtual, y'all. So this is like a live class. So get involved. This is going to be awesome. I'm going to try to make it. I say try because I need this information for myself too. So yes,
Wow. Well, you asked your buddy, Talicia, to give you a free ticket because they got to register.
that's right. Go register now. Go
They
register
got to
now.
register. But you
Thank you,
know
Doctor.
what? But you know what, Troy? You're talking about over 20 some years of information in my belly. And they don't have to go through the trials I went through. They don't have to go traveling like I did to get the information. All of this information I'm carrying, and I'm going to share it with somebody else so that they have a better understanding of the business.
And
Because
they
I
get
think,
someone, and the coaching factor, the fact that you're right there. And if you want to further it, not only you register for this, but you want to further it, you can just get with her as a coaching client and you go from there. But
yes,
this is
I'm,
awesome.
I'm glad you brought that up because when that pandemic hit, I became a coach for real, because my artists were like, okay,
What do
what
I
do
do?
we do? What are we, where are we going? What happens to all our concerts? What happens to all our radio? What happens to our promotional campaigns? What happens to our livelihood? We got children, we got wives, we got husbands, and we got bills. So that's when that coaching part of me, being a life coach, had to kick in so I don't lose my mind and I stay calm and they don't lose theirs. And we just trust God with the process. And so, you definitely, in this ministry of music and business and entertainment, it doesn't hurt to have a coach to coach you through
Dr. Veryl Howard, I'm just letting y'all know.
it.
Thursday, December 17th, 8 p.m. Go register. All the information to be below. The Music Business Virtual Workshop. Thank you, Dr. Veryl.
Thank you again. It's been a pleasure. And again, we're going to have you on my radio show platform, Global Warriors on the Front Line. You're going to be the guest.
Can't wait. I can't wait. I'll talk to you in a minute.
All right.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.